Christmas is coming quickly, and if you're looking for a show-stopping dessert, look no further. Today we're making creme brulee, which has a reputation for only being served in fancy restaurants, but I have a secret for you. It's super easy. A quick note, before you make this, you're going to want 6 half-cup ramekins. I just got these simple ones from Amazon, and I will go ahead and link them below in the description, but you need these before you begin the recipe. Alrighty, let's get going. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and then grab yourself a medium-sized pot. Put it on your stovetop and turn that on to medium as well, and add 4 cups of heavy cream. To your cream, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. It's really important that you use good quality vanilla here because that's really going to affect your flavor, and that's what's going to make your creme brulee taste so amazing, is that mixture of the cream and the vanilla together. So use a really good quality vanilla. And just make sure you stir it every once in a while as you're bringing it to a gentle boil. You don't want this to be like boiling over or anything. It doesn't have to boil hard, just till it's gently bubbling, and then you can turn it off. We're going to get started on our eggs. You're going to whisk 6 egg yolks together, and you can separate this however you like. I was just using the shell, but if you have an egg separator, that works too. Now, I don't know if you knew this, but creme brulee literally translates to burnt cream in French. That doesn't sound very appealing, but oh my goodness, if you've never tried this, you're in for a treat. It is silky smooth and rich, but somehow it's still really light, and it's basically a baked custard with a caramelized sugar crust. To your eggs, you're going to add a half a cup of sugar and whisk that in. And then you're going to take your egg mixture and you're going to blend just a little bit of that hot cream into your egg mixture, just a little bit at a time, and you're tempering the eggs here so they don't get cooked, but you want to make sure you whisk quickly as you pour a little amount in there. So I actually did this twice. I added a little bit of cream and mixed it up, and then I did it a second time just to make sure it was up to the right temperature. And then you're going to pour that egg mixture, slowly drizzle it into your cream mixture, whisking rapidly. Now, if your egg does cook a little bit, don't worry, it's okay. We're going to strain it. So if you mess up, it's okay, it's fixable. Grab yourself a fine mesh strainer and you're going to pour that mixture all the way through there, and that's going to get any little teeny tiny bits of cooked egg so that it doesn't end up in your custard, because that would be gross. Grab yourself a cookie sheet that has a lip on it and put your 6 ramekins on there, and then you're going to evenly divide this mixture amongst the 6 cups. I think I actually ended up with 1 extra cup, so if you want it about 2/3 full, so if it's fuller than that, you can put the extra in another bowl and cook that separately. And then grab yourself enough boiling water to fill the cookie sheet so that your water is about halfway up those ramekins. Then you're going to cover it with foil, making sure it's secure, and you're going to pop it in your oven and you're going to bake it for 30 minutes or until it's just set. So if you're loving this recipe, give it a like and let me know in the comments down below if you are a baker or you want to be a baker and you'd love to see some more recipes that seem really fancy but are actually really easy. Then let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see. I'd love to share with you. Once it comes out of the oven, let it sit on the counter for maybe 20 or 30 minutes and then pop it in your fridge to cool entirely. Now it's time for the caramelized sugar crust. Just to show you that even the most seasoned bakers can mess up, I put way too much sugar on my creme brulee. What you really want is just a fine coating of sugar on the top. And as you'll see, I was having some trouble getting it to brown properly with all that sugar on there. So in this next slide, that's what it's supposed to look like. And then you can use your kitchen torch to make it evenly brown all the way around. You don't want to burn it, but you want to see it bubbling up like that and just kind of move it around a little bit so you get that even brown coating. As a side note, you can also pop this in your broiler if you don't have a torch and broil it for 30 to 60 seconds, but keep a good eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn. Et voila! Here's your creme brulee, and it was just as good as it looks, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe and stick around for a while. I've got lots more yummy recipes on my channel, so go check them out.